अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 11th। हमने पढ़ा पिछले दिस लेक्चर में अबाउट अलगी। उसमें हमने 3 टाइप्स अलगी के पढ़े, रेड अलगी, ब्राउन अलगी एंड ग्रीन अलगी। आज हम जो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो है ब्रायोफाइटा के बारे में। बायोफाइटा जो हम कहते हैं, व्हाट इज़ ब्रायो? ब्रायो मीन्स मास एंड फाइटा मीन्स प्लांट, दैट इज़ मास प्लांट्स। That means in bryophyta, this includes the mass type of plants. There are about 25,000 species of these mass plants are present, and these mainly grow on moist and shady places. And these may form a kind of green mat on damp soil. That's a green mat is formed on the walls, on the rocks, and on the banks of ponds, and on the barks of trees. And when we see the structure of this bryophyta, here you will see the structure of this bryophyta. Now जब हम एक bryophyta का plant लिखते हैं, it's a moss like a plant, and these are the rhizoids, and by these rhizoids it's attached to the substratum, and there is a septa and long septa. This is a stem like structure that is present in this bryophyta. It is stem like structure but not a stem like, and above all there is a this present of capsule or the calyptra is at the topmost position. That means there are 3 parts, rhizoids, septa and capsule, that is present in bryophyta. After bryophyta there comes the vascular plants. Vascular plants are those plants which are differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Therefore we can say in vascular plants there are present root, stem and leaves, as we have already seen in algae and this bryophyta, that are not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. But in vascular plants there are well differentiated root, stem and leaves, and there are well defined xylem and phloem tissues are present in vascular plants. Then there is a division of labor. That means every organ does its own work for the plant. That means the roots anchor the plant and absorb water minerals from the soil, and the leaves that are present in the vascular plants that are used for photosynthesis. That means for every organ does work for the plant. There is a division of labor present in the vascular plants. In vascular plant there comes the ferns. Ferns or the pteridophyta. Fern plant is a fern plants that are the first terrestrial plants or the land plants that comprise about 10,000 species and that are present on the earth. These are the existing ferns of mainly small plants, but a few primitive tree ferns grow to over 20 meters. It means the ferns that they grow up to 20 meters of size. And here you will see the structure of a fern. Here you will see the rhizoids, or we can say the rhizome. These are the roots by which it is attached to the substratum, and these are the leaves. There is a leaf like structure. The leaf is present on this fern. This is the fern. These are the leaflets. Leaflets are also present, and this is a petiole. It's a tail of a leaf that's called the petiole. These are the young leaves that are grown on this fern. This is the structure of a fern plant showing rhizome, stem and leaves. This is the rhizome and this is the stem, and this is a leaf structure that are present in the fern plant. Thank you students. Rest I will teach you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.